Hello guys, welcome back to yet another Forex trading lesson, and what we're about to look into is how I normally get to do my analysis when it comes to trading. And I have a couple of things that I want to introduce to you, especially if you're out there and you're a total beginner and you want to start day trading. So I'll be sharing my screen recording for my laptop to show you some of the trades that I've just taken, the trades that I took today, and some of the concepts that really helped me to capture this move, and of course how you can also get to do the same, and of course you keep multiplying your money. And before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, I'll just request you to just go ahead, make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is just below here. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I have a new update, I have a new upload out there, you always be the first one to be notified. And of course we can get to grow as a team. And of course you need to have passion, and you'll be somebody who is really self-driven in order for you to make something in return when it comes to this forex thing. So for now, let's meet each other on the other side so that we can get to look into the trading view and we get to do some analysis together. Well, to start with, I'll start by doing my analysis. This is how I got to do all this. So first thing first, this is what I'm going to do, guys. If you get to go to 4 hours time frame, you can see how the candlestick formations, they are coming along, and you can see right now the market, generally the market is on a downtrend, but since we are trading lower time frame, we can also get to look into a few things, and of course get to determine where our entry will be, and of course the best position that you can get to explore. So first thing first, I started by drawing major zones, that is support or resistance zone at 4 hours. And I got to pull this, the red ball rectangle here that you're seeing here. I got to draw that one, and the concept that I got to use, you normally get to look at least 3 touches, 3 points that have been touched by the market, and of course the market has really interacted with that, and of course the current position of the market. You can see the market got to touch this zone. This is the first time, the second time right here. And of course, let's just go ahead, we get to look into the current position of the market right now as we speak. Sorry for that. So if you get to come here, you can see that's a very good zone. That's a very good zone for us, and it's a valid one. If you get to narrow down to 1 hour, we can also get to adjust we can also get to adjust our zone to make sure it's accurate, and of course that's the best position for us to trade with that. And of course we have already included the psychological levels. So psychological levels, they are also very important zones for us to also to have in mind. So the current position of the market, as I got to look into this, I got to pull my Fibonacci. You got to pull, you can see the zone right here, and you can see with the candlestick formations, there's these long wicks that are forming on the lower side. That show you that the market has so much force going on the upper side, and the fact that we have a 4 hour zone right here. So if you get to go to lower time frame, we don't expect the market to really get to break this zone. As a matter of fact, the market should keep moving upward. So as you can see right here, it's very important for us to have that in mind, considering we have the 4 hours time frame zone. So if you get to go to 15 time frame, you can see the market has been consolidating for a while. As you can see right here, the market has been in consolidation for a while, but you do understand the market, when in this condition, it can just go ahead, get to do some manipulation like what it did right here. And of course did some retest. I got to draw this zone right here. This is a zone, this is a very nice zone right there, and you can see the market got to break right here. This is exactly what the market did. The market got to break like that, got to retest, and of course got to keep going up. So for that case, you can see the market has been going up for a while, and right now you can see this is also another entry the market has just given out, and I can just go ahead, I get to add another position. But right now, let me just be satisfied with just one trade for the day. So for that case, you can see there was a breakout and retest right here. The market got to retest this zone, and of course the market kept going up. And another important thing for us to know is that the market normally gives 3 entry opportunities, And for that case, you can see this is what we are anticipating the market has done here. 1, 2, 3. So we are anticipating the fourth time the market might break and of course get to retest back to this area right here, this trend line, before it can figure out what next in the same thing. So basically that's how you get to understand the market. And of course with the entry, you can see, like for instance, if I get to broaden this one, you can see the market has already engulfed a couple of candles here. So literally this is what I would do. Going long position, I would place my stop loss just around below there and of course target the next psychological level or the next zone, which will be around somewhere, let me just be a bit far, somewhere around there. So basically this one would give you a very clean 2:3 to 1. Of course 2:1 risk to reward ratio. And of course guys, this is how you get to analyze when it comes to this market. You just need one concept. You get to do it over and over until it's going to favor you, and hopefully if you get to put in the necessary work the right way, and of course you be patient enough, trust you me, this will be a very, very easy strategy to really make you some good money. So for that case guys, there are also trend lines that are very, very crucial for you to include. And for that case, we have some trend lines here. You can see the market got to touch this area, also touch this area, it tested, reacted to it, and of course it broke to the upper side. So basically that's all you just need to do in order for you to see some sense in the market. In case you need any clarity when it comes to trading, don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll be happy to take you through some of these lessons and of course to give you the best approach that you can get out there. That's it. Of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.